Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will see how to create Web.Sitemap file and define a relationship between all the pages. ASP.NET provides a file called Web.Sitemap to support website navigation. This file is in XML format and it defines the site layout. So here this site layout is different from the layout that is created by the master page. Master page creates the layout in terms of visual appearance, but here this creates a site layout in the form of a site navigation. So what is the home page? From home page where you can navigate, and what are the target pages, and from the target page where you can navigate, and is it possible to come back from the navigated page. So all those layout you can define in XML format. Instead of site layout, we can state site navigation layout. These XML sitemap files act as a data source for the navigation controls like menu, tree view, etc. Right? So we learned about SQL data source, right, in the previous sub-series. So now, if you see here, this XML web sitemap will act as a data source, so that once web sitemap is ready, you can link that to the navigation control. So this web sitemap will act as a data, or it feeds the data to the navigation control. The navigation control, by reading this web.sitemap, knows how to link the page and how to form hyperlink, all those stuff. The navigation control will take care. In this video, we will create the sitemap file to define the layout structure of the website. Alright, now let's proceed with the demo. So we will create one more page, add new web form with the master page, right? Or we can go for new items and choose web form with the master page. Since we already added a few master pages, you can even go ahead with this quick link, right? These are all our previously used items, so you can directly go with the web forms master page, and item name here I'm giving it as about.aspx. Alright, now we will add one more web form, new item, web form with the master page, and we will name this as about. Click add and choose the master page. So now we can place the content for our master page. ASP.NET tutorials, and here giving it as heading 1. So just doing some kind of formatting. So that's all. Our about page is also ready now. We will add a new item. Let's go to general, scroll down, and here is the sitemap. And we will accept the default name web.sitemap, and here we will click the add. So this is the initial sitemap, and if you see, this is the node for sitemap, and inside that we have a sitemap node, right? And it shows some default hierarchy. So let's keep this a sitemap, and we will delete this inner sitemap node. So this will help in forming the sitemap nodes. So here if you see, we have sitemap node, URL, title, description, all these stuffs are here. So URL here we are giving home.aspx, right? Here we have home.aspx, and the title we can give it as a home page. And description here we are giving it as a root for all other page, right? So if you see, we just defined only one node, and this is the sitemap node, and the sitemap node is ending here. Now we will place the nesting and thereby defining the relation. Now let's add one more sitemap node. And if you see here, we opened one more sitemap node, and we will end this here. Okay, let me delete it. So this is the root, right? Now we will add one more sitemap node. You see how we are nesting it. This is the outermost home, and home contains one more sitemap node. Now we will place the URL, title, as well as description. Right, so the home page contains products page. So home is the parent. From home page we want user to navigate to products page. So that's why we are defining the hierarchy. This is the sitemap and ending it here, and inside that we have one more sitemap node. So outside this product page, let me close this. I'm coming out of that product page and adding two more sitemap node. Now if you look at here, this sitemap node and the parent for this is the home page, right? And similarly, parent for this about is the home page, right? Now we have two product pages created here, right? Products.aspx and traditional cooking.aspx, and we will place those two inside this products sitemap node. That's all. We defined our sitemap. Let's review it once again. This is the sitemap, right? Then here we are defining the sitemap node. Our home page is the root for all the sitemap, and that's starting here and ending here. Then we have a sitemap node for products, right? And that one is ending here, right? And if you look inside, we have two separate nodes. That means for this traditional cooking page, if we take, the parent for that is product.aspx, and parent for this product.aspx is homepage, right? So the homepage is having three nodes. One is product, and another one is web admin, and another one is about.aspx. But this product page is having two child, right? This doesn't have any child. So this is how we defined the relationship between the pages, and we successfully created our web.sitemap. And next video onwards, we will see the magic of using the navigation control and how it reads this XML sitemap and forms the link automatically. Just now you saw the demo. We created the XML sitemap. Thank you for watching. Bye.